Water. The one resource humanity can't replace. Not oil. Not gold. Not electricity. Water. And right now, entire countries are quietly running out of it. Not in some distant future. Not centuries from now. Today, beneath cities, underground reservoirs are collapsing. Rivers that once fed civilizations no longer reach the sea. And millions of people are pumping water out of the earth faster than nature can refill it. This is the hidden global crisis nobody talks about. And if it continues, the next world conflict may not be fought over land, but over water. Part 1: The Invisible Reserves. Most people think water comes from rivers, lakes, or rain. But nearly half of humanity depends on something invisible: groundwater. Massive underground reservoirs called aquifers. These aquifers took thousands, sometimes millions of years to fill naturally. But modern civilization is draining them in decades. Every farm, every factory, every growing megacity, all pulling water from underground like there's no limit. Except there is. And in many places, we already crossed it. Part 2: India's underground collapse. One of the biggest groundwater crises on Earth is happening in India. Satellite data from NASA revealed that northern India is losing groundwater at one of the fastest rates ever recorded. Why? Because hundreds of millions of people rely on underground water for farming and drinking. Fields of rice and wheat consume enormous amounts of water every single day. And as cities expand, demand keeps exploding. The terrifying part: much of this water isn't being replaced. In some regions, wells that worked for generations have already gone dry. And when groundwater disappears, the land itself begins to sink. Entire cities slowly collapsing downward because the earth beneath them is emptying out. This process is called land subsidence. The vanishing rivers. Some of Earth's greatest rivers are dying. The Colorado River once powered massive cities across the western United States. Today, it's so overused that it often fails to reach the ocean. The Yellow River has faced similar crises. And the Indus River, one of the most important rivers for agriculture on Earth, is under extreme pressure from climate change and overconsumption. Civilizations were built around rivers. But modern civilization is consuming them faster than nature can restore them. And climate change is making everything worse. Hotter temperatures mean more evaporation, longer droughts, less predictable rainfall. The system is breaking. Part 4: When water becomes power. Water is no longer just a resource. It's becoming geopolitical power. Countries upstream control the flow of rivers downstream, which means water can become leverage or a weapon. One major example is the Nile River. For thousands of years, the Nile sustained civilizations across northeastern Africa. But today, tensions are rising over massive dam projects and control of water flow. Because when populations grow and water shrinks, every drop matters. Experts warn that future conflicts may increasingly revolve around water security. Not because nations want war, but because survival leaves few choices. The technology race. So how do countries survive when natural water runs out? Some are turning to extreme technology. In Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates, massive desalination plants convert seawater into drinking water. But there's a problem. Desalination is incredibly energy intensive. and expensive. Others are experimenting with cloud seeding, literally attempting to force rain from the sky using chemicals sprayed into clouds. Meanwhile, scientists are developing atmospheric water generators that pull moisture directly from the air. It sounds futuristic. Because it is. Humanity is entering an era where producing water may become as important as producing energy. The most dangerous possibility. Here's the real danger. Water crises don't happen all at once. They happen slowly, quietly. A deeper well, a weaker harvest, a longer drought, a city adding water restrictions. Until suddenly, millions of people are affected at the same time. Food prices rise. Migration increases. Governments panic. Because without water, nothing survives. Not economies. Not agriculture. Not civilizations. And unlike other resources, there is no substitute. Ending TerraNull style outro. Human civilization mastered fire. Built machines. Split the atom. Reached space. Yet despite all our technology, we still depend on something ancient and fragile. Water beneath the ground. Rain from the sky. Rivers flowing from mountains. And for the first time in modern history, humanity is discovering what happens when those systems begin to fail. The question is no longer whether the global water crisis is coming. The question is, which countries run dry first?